Hi again, guys. Right now we are on the bus and we are going to midlife for a real-time PCR test. We are going on midlife that is located in Messaria, and our hotel is in Camari. We take the bus that goes to Fira and we will get down before the main station because Messaria is a small city through which our bus passes in its way to Fira. The price for the ticket is the same. You don't have any discount even if you are going to Fira or you get out of the bus earlier. The price for one PCR test here in Santorini is €80. In my opinion, the price is quite high. In our country, the price for one PCR test is less than half. It's around €35, but we have no choice. Let's see how it will be.
First is Irene.
She's the lucky one.
Relax. Don't do your straight your face. Next. Thank you. Results will be ready 24 hours from now the most. We are going to send you an email. Please check the scan. Okay. And we're ready to go.
Thank you.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye. You too.
We finished the PCR test. It was very good. We don't feel any pain, we don't feel anything, and we already received a mail. We are both negative. We can go home. But now we are going to the port to get our trip to hot springs and to the Volcano.
Jetzt zahlst du dann die 26 Euro. Oder du tust es schon
The price for this trip to Hot Springs and to the Volcano was 26 euro per person. The boat take us from the port. To get there are a lot of stairs like this. I hardly recommend you to have property shoes for it, because if you don't have property shoes it's a little bit difficult to go on it. From this place you can continue to go on stairs, or you can take the cable car. We choose to go on stairs because the view is amazing and I just want to show you. I've seen magnets and many donkey souvenirs, but they weren't anywhere until we got here. So, hello donkey! You can choose to ride a donkey from the top of the stairs, but they are so nice. I definitely don't ride it. Yay! Finally we arrive near the port. I just forgot to tell you one very important thing. Be careful where you step, because everywhere on the stairs there is donkey shit. And the smell is included. Take care. We are in the port now. It's a small one, but it's a very nice. Our boat is not here yet, but it must come in a few minutes. We just wanna see our boat and go to the volcano and to the hot springs. Poseidon is coming. This is our boat and it looks very nice. We arrive at hot springs. When we bought the trip, we were informed not to come in a white or light swimsuit because the water is brown and will color our clothes. It looks like we will have to swim there like the other people. I'm curious how hot is the water there. Let's see. We are now at the Volcano. It looks interesting. I think there is the entrance. The trip to the hot springs and to the volcano was excellent. At hot springs the water is not very hot, as the hot springs there are located in Kos, where the water was 50 degrees. You really could not stay in the water more than a minute. Here the water was warm only and brown, as you saw. Now we return to Fira. We have to climb 600 stairs, the same ones we had to go down earlier. This part will be a little bit difficult, but the view is speechless.
Give it.